We're back with Season 2 of Nature Insight, Speed Dating with the Future.
Speed dating is all about having a short time to communicate things that could change your life and the life of the person you're speaking with. That's exactly what we're trying to do on Nature Insight.
I'm Britt Garner. I'm a science communicator and teacher in New York City.
And I'm Rob Spall, the head of communications at IPBES, the World Biodiversity Platform for Science and Policy.
We'll be talking with some of the world's foremost experts on understanding the relationship between different species and the world we all share. Can we change our understanding, perceptions, and behavior to allow us all to thrive? Billions of people around the world still rely on wild species for their nutrition, health, and well-being. So we'll be asking Professor John Donaldson from South Africa, how can we ensure that our use of wild animals and plants is more sustainable?
We'll also be speaking to legal expert Dr. Michelle Lim in Australia about the power and the limits of law to protect nature.
What evidence and which kinds of values should decision makers consider when choosing actions that might damage nature? What role can the business and especially the financial sector play?
In other words, we're talking about big ideas that will impact you, me, and everyone you know every day. It's essential listening for everyone who cares about our planet and our shared future. So subscribe to Nature Insight wherever you get your podcasts.